How to fall asleep faster with proven tricks, unveiling the secrets. The importance of a good night's sleep. Sleep is an essential part of our daily routine and plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Getting a good night's sleep is not just about feeling refreshed and energized the next day. It also impacts our physical and mental health in numerous ways. Lack of quality sleep can lead to a range of issues, including increased stress levels, decreased cognitive function, and a weakened immune system. Therefore, understanding the importance of a good night's sleep is the first step towards finding effective ways to fall asleep faster. Understanding the factors that affect sleep quality. Several factors can affect the quality of our sleep. One significant factor is our sleep environment. Creating a sleep-friendly atmosphere can greatly enhance our ability to fall asleep faster. Factors such as noise, light, temperature, and comfort can all play a role in determining the quality of our sleep. By making simple adjustments to our bedroom, such as using blackout curtains, white noise machines, and comfortable bedding, we can create an environment that promotes relaxation and better sleep. We are grateful for your viewership of our film. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating films for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Another crucial factor that affects sleep quality is our daily habits and routines. Engaging in stimulating activities close to bedtime, such as exercising or consuming caffeine, can make it harder for us to fall asleep. It is essential to establish a consistent sleep schedule and avoid stimulating activities at least an hour before bedtime. By adopting a regular sleep routine and avoiding sleep disruptors, we can improve our chances of falling asleep faster. Common sleep disorders and their impact on falling asleep. Sleep disorders can significantly impact our ability to fall asleep. Conditions such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome can cause difficulty in falling asleep and maintaining a restful sleep throughout the night. It is important to recognize the symptoms of these sleep disorders and seek professional help if necessary. By addressing the underlying causes of sleep disorders, we can effectively improve our sleep quality and fall asleep faster. Natural ways to prepare your body for sleep. There are several natural ways to prepare our bodies for sleep, helping us to fall asleep faster. One effective technique is to establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Engaging in activities such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretching exercises can signal to our bodies that it is time to wind down and prepare for sleep. By incorporating these activities into our nightly routine, we can create a sense of calmness and relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. In addition to a bedtime routine, mindfulness and meditation techniques can also promote better sleep. Practicing mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment and letting go of any racing thoughts or worries. This can help calm the mind and induce a state of relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep faster. Similarly, meditation techniques such as deep breathing exercises or guided imagery can help quiet the mind and promote a sense of tranquility, aiding in falling asleep. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Establishing a relaxing bedtime routine is essential in preparing the body for sleep. By engaging in activities that promote relaxation and winding down, we can signal to our bodies that it is time to sleep. One effective way to create a relaxing routine is to set aside a specific time each night for activities such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretching exercises. By consistently following this routine, our bodies will begin to recognize these cues and associate them with sleep, making it easier to fall asleep faster. The role of a comfortable sleep environment. Creating a comfortable sleep environment plays a significant role in falling asleep faster. Factors such as noise, light, temperature, and comfort can all affect our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. To create an optimal sleep environment, consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any unwanted light, using earplugs or a white noise machine to drown out any disturbing sounds, and maintaining a cool and comfortable temperature in the bedroom. By creating a sleep-friendly environment, we can enhance our chances of falling asleep faster and enjoying a restful night's sleep. Mindfulness and meditation techniques for better sleep. Mindfulness and meditation techniques can be powerful tools in promoting better sleep. By incorporating these practices into our daily routine, we can reduce stress and anxiety, which are common culprits of sleep disturbances. Mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment and letting go of any racing thoughts or worries. This can help calm the mind and induce a state of relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep faster. Similarly, meditation techniques such as deep breathing exercises or guided imagery can help quiet the mind and promote a sense of tranquility, aiding in falling asleep. Breathing exercises to promote relaxation and sleep. Breathing exercises can be a simple yet effective way to promote relaxation and prepare the body for sleep. One popular breathing technique is the 4-7-8 method. To practice this technique, inhale through the nose for a count of 4, hold the breath for a count of 7, and exhale through the mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle several times before bedtime to help induce a state of relaxation and calmness. By incorporating breathing exercises into our bedtime routine, we can alleviate stress and promote better sleep. The power of aromatherapy for improving sleep. Aromatherapy can be a powerful tool in improving sleep quality and falling asleep faster. Certain scents such as lavender, chamomile, and jasmine have been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and body, promoting relaxation and better sleep. One way to incorporate aromatherapy into our sleep routine is by using essential oils. These can be diffused in the bedroom, added to a warm bath, or applied topically using a carrier oil. By harnessing the power of aromatherapy, we can create a soothing and sleep-inducing environment, helping us to fall asleep faster. Herbal remedies and supplements for better sleep. Herbal remedies and supplements can also be beneficial in promoting better sleep. Certain herbs such as valerian root, chamomile, and passion flower have long been used as natural sleep aids. These herbs can be consumed in the form of tea or taken as supplements. Additionally, certain supplements such as melatonin or magnesium can also help regulate sleep patterns and promote relaxation. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any herbal remedies or supplements to ensure their safety and effectiveness in improving sleep. The impact of diet and exercise on falling asleep faster. Our diet and exercise habits can significantly impact our ability to fall asleep faster. Consuming a well-balanced diet that includes whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables can promote better sleep. Avoiding heavy meals close to bedtime and limiting caffeine and alcohol intake can also improve sleep quality. In addition to diet, regular exercise can also contribute to better sleep. Engaging in physical activity during the day can help regulate our sleep-wake cycle and promote a deeper and more restful sleep at night. Technology and its effect on sleep quality. The use of technology such as smartphones, tablets and televisions can have a negative impact on our sleep quality. The blue light emitted by these devices can interfere with our body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep. It is important to establish a digital curfew and avoid using electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, engage in relaxing activities that promote sleep, such as reading a book or listening to soothing music. By limiting exposure to technology, we can improve our chances of falling asleep faster and enjoying a restful night's sleep. Tips for managing stress and anxiety to aid in falling asleep. Stress and anxiety can significantly hinder our ability to fall asleep faster. It is essential to develop healthy coping mechanisms to manage stress and anxiety effectively. Engaging in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, mindfulness or meditation can help calm the mind and reduce stress levels, making it easier to fall asleep. Additionally, practicing good sleep hygiene, such as establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a sleep-friendly environment, and avoiding stimulating activities before bedtime can also help manage stress and promote better sleep. When to seek professional help for sleep difficulties. If you have tried various techniques and strategies to fall asleep faster but continue to experience difficulties, it may be time to seek professional help. Chronic insomnia or other sleep disorders may require intervention from a healthcare professional. A sleep specialist can help diagnose and treat any underlying sleep disorders and provide personalized recommendations to improve sleep quality. By seeking professional help, you can gain a better understanding of your sleep difficulties and find effective solutions to fall asleep faster. Conclusion: unlocking the secrets to falling asleep faster. Falling asleep faster is a common desire for many individuals, and there are proven tricks and techniques that can help achieve this goal. By understanding the importance of a good night's sleep, addressing the factors that affect sleep quality, and adopting natural remedies and techniques, you can unlock the secrets to falling asleep faster. From creating a relaxing bedtime routine to incorporating mindfulness and meditation practices, there are various strategies to promote relaxation and prepare the body for sleep. By prioritizing sleep and implementing these proven tricks, you can enjoy the benefits of a good night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. CTA. If you're struggling to fall asleep faster, try incorporating some of these proven tricks into your bedtime routine. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being. So, take the necessary steps to prioritize your sleep and unlock the secrets to falling asleep faster. We are grateful for your viewership of our film. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating films for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.